Welcome. Thanks for listening in. Today I will be addressing thyroid problems. Thyroid problems, particularly low thyroid conditions, are very common in this country today, particularly among women. I so often hear from women and other clients or patients who complain of symptoms from low thyroid conditions, such as cold hands and feet, dry skin and hair, brittle nails, hoarseness, weight gain, fatigue and low energy, low libido, brain fog, yet they are very often told their thyroid hormone levels are normal. And if they persist in complaining, they are often sent to the psychiatrist. No joke. Why is this? Typically, it is due to the outdated lab parameters for the clinical diagnosing of thyroid conditions. And also, typically, conventional doctors do not routinely do a complete thyroid assessment. Then there are those who have symptoms such as heart palpitations, weight loss, hair loss, mood swings, heat intolerance, sweating, headache, and nervousness. Okay. Likewise, I have patients with these symptoms who are told that their thyroid levels are high, and these are symptoms of that, and that they have autoimmune thyroid. But the immediate and only options given are medications that suppress the thyroid hormone and symptoms and have potential side effects that can be alarming. Surgery to remove the gland with synthetic thyroid medication for the rest of their life. Or three, radioactive therapy, ablation, meaning wiping out um, the thyroid with synthetic hormone medication for the rest of their life. I will say when I was in the traditional medical system, the above situations were also the only options I could offer patients. What I didn't know is that I just didn't know. And this is where knowledge can be power. What we need to do is to heal the root cause that is creating the havoc in the thyroid gland itself. Most commonly, it is due to chronic stress, the most underdiagnosed cause and typically ignored, gut dysbiosis and inflammation, which means disease producing bacteria, nutritional deficiencies, and other causes of chronic inflammation in the body. And stress is a major source of all inflammation in the body as well. This can lead to autoimmunity and malfunctioning of the immune system. And then lastly, miscellaneous medication toxicity, infections, environmental toxins. Now, none of these issues are even addressed. Can you see why only suppressing symptoms or surgery cannot be in your best interest? If I had to choose just one thing that is the most underdiagnosed cause of thyroid gland dysfunction, I would have to say it's stress. Cortisol also affects inflammation and the immune system. Increased inflammation can become chronic when our system becomes dysfunctional because of all of this, and this sets off another chain reaction. This inflammation can raise cytokine activity to abnormal levels, which also interferes with thyroid hormone functionality, increase susceptibility to infection, and weaken immunity and are common outcomes of all this. This can also create leaky gut, or technically called intestinal permeability, which is the more accurate clinical name for this. So functional medicine is uniquely able to address and heal these issues instead of the regular medical system that tends to just dismiss it. So if you are trained in functional medicine, as me, the doctor, I can detect leaky gut when it happens and to help you when they start to have problems with autoimmunity. Without this information and root cause investigation, it's just a matter of placing people on synthetic hormone. And if we as women want to live healthier, take back control of our health and aging process, we will have to be willing to look beyond solutions, beyond the business as usual. We have to learn how, what stress is and what to do to break this cycle. And I have found functional medicine is that path to empowerment. And I am just eternally grateful and that I had the out of the box thinking, because now I can actually support healing and health and not simply disease care. So if you're ready to take back control of your health and stress, you can reach out to me and explore if functional medicine is right for you by requesting a free discovery session below this video at the link below. So thank you for listening, and here's to greater vitality, connection, and confidence.